we had this idea of doing a business type retreat, an executive leadership retreat.
This entire thing is a complete place of total acceptance for what you are as an individual and the way you interact with the world around you. And we can't feel a big giant hug from that.
The foundational benefit is it improves your understanding of yourself. If we don't really understand how to optimize ourselves, there will always be a disconnect in how we're doing what we're doing or how we're interacting.
Why is it important for us to know what state we're in as human beings objectively? It allows you to be hyper adaptable without compromising self. You guys hear that?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Being hyper adaptable without compromising self, which is not what we're taught growing up.
With the assessments and the tools that we have, we can give you clarity for yourself and for your business. You can see in a moment what's happening. You get a snapshot of reality. Then we give you the confidence. So the confidence comes from after you understand all of the content from the event, then we can implement that. We can build a plan. We can build a 90-day blueprint, look at your year, look at where you want to go, and actually start executing that plan.
In a way that is so bespoke, so makes you feel seen, heard, and understood in a way that I don't think anybody can replicate.
We wanted to bake in the community because without the accountability, without knowing someone else has your back, it's so easy to slip back into old patterns.
I was a little skeptical. I had my walls up, I had my defenses up, and I mean, from the minute it started, it was like every little defense domino fell and fell and fell. I feel like I'm actually in a room, in a place of people that want to create a better world.
So there's support here. I have people to go to because without that, it's heavy, it's hard. But with the community, it's not, it's light. And not only light, but fun.
So that's the beautiful thing is we're not stagnant. You don't just take the assessment once and then you're done and forevermore. We circle back because as humans, we're continually unfolding.
Everyone here has in some way expanded beyond what they thought they were going to get from coming here. Every single person.
I'm excited to have a trusted resource that when I don't know something business related, I can call and actually get the right direction.
So if you're looking for a community where you can learn about yourself and learn about your people, learn about your business, propel your business forward with confidence, I would say run to this community.